Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the coordinates unit on the CMap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the settings icon and just scroll down to the units section, and here you can find the coordinates option, and just select one and step on it, for example the decimals, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.